National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Boy, it is a kaleidoscope of color tonight. Notice all the browns and tans here on the map. Those are high wind warnings, wind advisories of some sort. Of course, we've got a severe weather outbreak going on in the southeast. We even had a tornado just north of South Bend last night, and a lot of tornadoes down here in Texas, parts of Louisiana. These are winter storm warnings and winter storm watches and freeze warnings. We're now getting winter storm watches for Minnesota and North Dakota for up to 6 inches of snow. This is definitely a powerhouse storm, and we've got a wind advisory in effect for our area outside of any thunderstorm. Winds could gust to 45 miles an hour just before the line of storms and thereafter. And also, rather than just wind advisories on this map tomorrow and tonight, I think we're going to start to see some severe weather watches start to pop up tonight and certainly tomorrow as well. Let's go to the action now and kind of pinpoint what's going to happen. First of all, it's very mild today. Temperatures still running 70 to 76 degrees area-wide after highs generally low to mid-70s this afternoon. Now tonight, some of the model data is trying to pop a few isolated storms between 1 and 6 a.m. Now, if that does happen, a pretty highly sheared wind environment will exist. So any storm could start to rotate pretty quickly. It's only if some of these cells can form. And there's not total agreement on that, but that's going to have to be monitored between 1 and 6 a.m. And then a line of storms will pass through between about 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Widespread damaging straight line winds, perhaps an isolated weak tornado or two. And then just ahead of the line and behind the line, very windy, and the wind will continue Wednesday, even into Thursday, as sharply cold weather arrives. Low 70s at 7 o'clock, partly cloudy, 69 though and breezy at 9, and boy, only 68 for the low tonight. Very muggy. The average high this time of the year, 61, and at least a few scattered showers and storms early tomorrow morning. Again, we'll watch at least a couple cells pop tonight if they can. We'll have that isolated tornado threat. Then there's the squall line here in eastern Illinois. That will sweep through the viewing area between 11 and 2 tomorrow. And then once that sweeps through, the sun comes out, winds again gusting up to 45 miles per hour. And model data still cranking out a good solid soaking 1 inch of rain and a torrential wind-driven downpour as that line moves through for tomorrow morning. 68 tonight. A few storms, I'll watch that, becoming windy tomorrow, 72, but then falling in the afternoon, winds gusting to 45. That line of storms coming through. And then at least a couple scattered showers and storms Wednesday, 70 and windy. Windy on Thursday, but sharply colder, upper 40s. Lows well down into the 20s. And right now for Halloween, mid to upper 50s before we could have potentially another pretty powerhouse storm early next week.
So wind definitely a key here in this storm.
Yeah, even if you don't get damaging winds from the line of storms, which I think a lot of people will, you can still have winds gusting to 45.
All right, late night for you.